Pink is the color of my true love's hair.
Welcome to Main Cuisine. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, hey guys, I am still in Lowe's. This is all about fertilizer because we've had a lot of people in my Facebook groups that I'm in. Shout out to my gardening cousins. Ask about fertilizers, and people are always asking what fertilizers to use. Now, I told you all about your NPK, your nitrogen, phosphate, and your potassium. If you look at the periodic table, that's what your NPK is. There's my baby right there, my other baby in the back. This is an all-purpose fertilizer. This is one that you typically would mix in your water before you water your plant. This one has 24, 8, 16. So it is higher in your nitrogen and it is lower in your phosphate, and it's medium. I still see that as kind of high for your potassium. Now, remember I told you all that bananas have the highest potassium that I have found at 42%. So that is very good for when you are trying to get blooms and fruit from your blooms. It's very high in potassium. Like this is a dynamite where this would be great for your leaves and just for your flowers. Now, not so great for getting fruit from those flowers, but it is very great for your flowers. This Scott's, I use Scott's a lot. This is your average 10-10-10. This is the run of the mill. It covers all of your bases, and it's not going to give you one load of something more than the other one. Just like this one is rose and bloom. So this is why, like I told you, your nitrogen is high. Your nitrogen is high on that. Your nitrate is high. And your potassium and your phosphate and your potassium are lower numbers because you want the blooms and you want the leaves. That's what that's going to give you. This is for edible plants from Osmocotes. And this one, here's my 1414. I tell people all the time about 1414. This is for your flowers that will have fruit or vegetables coming from them. You want a 1414. This is for your edible plants. This is going to give you a hardy stock of edible plants. This is for outdoor indoor. This one is 15-9-12. That is for your outdoor indoor plants. I have hibiscus, and I know a lot of members have hibiscus. 9-4-9. Look for things like that. Even if you don't get the name brands like this, or if you're looking for natural fertilizers that you can make from leftovers or with your compost, this is what you want. So if you're looking for hibiscus or palm trees or things like that, look for you want 9-4-9. Remember, nitrate, phosphate, potassium. This is what you want. This is how you look at your numbers, and this is how you understand what they're saying or what your plants are needing and what your fertilizers can give to your plants. Another one, bone meal. Bone meal is low on nitrogen, high in your phosphate, and this gives you a lot of blooms. This is another thing that you want from your soil. There's another one. They don't have blood meal here. They're out. Depending on what I'm using, I mix my blood meal and my bone meal together, and that gives me a lot of blooms from my plants. I do have some bone meal at home. I will show you guys, at least take a picture and show you guys later on, or put it on the Facebook page or on Instagram. So make sure that you follow us on Instagram, you follow us on Facebook, and that is it. Now, you guys have a great day. Make sure you find a reason to smile. And as always, I love you. Bye, cousins. If you enjoyed this video from Main Cuisine, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Also, hit us up on all of our social media. Comment, let us know what you want to see from us, because this channel is for you. Bye, cousins.